Boom! What is up, guys, girls, humans of the planet out there? We have a special video today for Kindle Publishing. Guys, Alex Jordan, the one who promised that at 317 members, we would get a tax and accounting course. Ah, shit. That's right, Bobby. We broke 70,000 page reads today. All right, let's put that away. Anyway, we have within The Publishing Evolution at thepublishingevolution.com, exclusive to our Facebook group, we have a private YouTube playlist for the course on everything tax and accounting related for Kindle publishers. So it's all here. I'm going through the modules right now. Guys, this is the one time, like, when people say, oh, I can't give you professional advice. Alex Jordan is an IRS enrolled professional accountant. So this is the one time you can get actual, legitimate, professional advice from someone qualified. So, you know, for everything tax and accounting related, guys, I just got my 1099s on Amazon's Tax Central. So I'm definitely going through the course. There's some good stuff here, guys. Especially for those of you who are still a sole prop and want to know, like, why to get an LLC, how to estimate your tax, especially what's most important, how to get a refund versus having to pay at the end of the year. That's covered too. I work with a CPA. This is going to give you the pros and cons of working with a CPA versus an enrolled agent. Dude, just go sign up for the Evolution if you haven't already. It's my free course on Kindle Publishing, and you get to join my free Facebook community that's going over 300 members strong. So I would provide a link to this below, but it's exclusive to Evolution members. So guys, go within the Publishing Evolution, sign up for the course. You get a free course on Kindle Publishing. You get the free Facebook group, and within there, you get the free tax and accounting basics course. So it's all here, guys. I just wanted to announce that I don't have anything to sell you today. Although I just want to say I've broken past the $500 per day barrier with my 5 fiction books now. So, you know, looking to do 1,000 a day by March with fiction, just fiction. So that's going good. And Bobby, we'll handle our business after this video call that I'm doing with the YouTubes. But that's about it, guys. So it looks like I've got some business to attend to, and I don't know. I was gonna say like happy birthday, but Merry Christmas, everyone! The tax and accounting course is here. When we get 500 members total, we're gonna release a free fiction course on everything fiction related. It's gonna be the best course out there for Kindle Publishing on fiction. Let's do it, guys. Tell your friends, your family, your pets all about the Publishing Evolution. Let's get it. So until then, guys, see you tomorrow.